Compared to traditional upright canister vacuums of old, these latest stick vacuums add the convenience of being exceptionally lightweight and maneuverable, allowing us to get the job done without all the hassle. And for our cordless variety, the battery chargers are usually built into the hanger, making it even easier to live with. But with all of these options available to us, which ones are the best? Hey guys, I'm Jim with Techie Tech News, and these are the best stick vacuums of 2025. Links to all of these products will be provided in the description box below, and please like, comment, and subscribe for more product review videos. At Techie Tech News, we evaluate products for you, so you don't have to. Samsung Bespoke Jet, best stick vacuum for allergies. Check out the Samsung Bespoke Jet if you're searching for a cordless stick vacuum and are sensitive to pollen and pet dander. Generally speaking, bagless vacuums aren't the best if you have allergies, regardless of how advanced their filtration system is. Shaking out a dustbin still releases out a cloud of dust, which just isn't as hygienic as tossing out a sealed dirt bag. However, the Bespoke Jet differs from most bagless vacuums. It comes with a charging dock that doubles as a self-emptying station, similar to self-emptying robot vacuums like the Roborock Prevo. This dock transfers debris from the vacuum's dustbin through an airtight seal and directly into a disposable dirt bag inside the stand station, meaning you don't have to worry about emptying the dustbin manually. The vacuum itself also has a 5-stage filtration system that effectively traps in allergens as you clean. Performance-wise, it does a good job dealing with debris on low to high pile carpeting, though we have to say it does fall short of the Dyson V15 Detect on bare floors, with its bulky twin roller head pushing around some larger debris. Now, one point in its favor is that it comes with 2 batteries, and you can charge them simultaneously, effectively doubling your potential of runtime and making it a great option for longer cleaning sessions. However, its dual roller head is considerably bulkier than the Dyson Vacuum's single roller head, making it slightly harder to maneuver. But regardless, this is definitely the best vacuum when it comes to dealing with allergens. So if that sensitive person is you, this is the one to get. And in the future, if you need to find more tech deals, simply visit TechieTechDeals.com. Shark Stratos Ultralight, best corded stick vacuum. The Shark Stratos Ultralight is the best stick vacuum cleaner with a corded design that we have reviewed. While staying plugged in will limit your cleaning range compared to other cordless models on the list, you will never have to worry about running out of charge partway through your cleaning session. This vacuum shares a few commonalities with the Shark Stratos cordless as well. This includes the dual clean power fins floor head, which uses angled fins on its main roller to prevent hair from getting tangled up, and a replaceable cartridge that's in its floor head that emits a pleasant deodorant-like scent as you clean. However, there are a few drawbacks you'll have to contend with. The primary brush roll isn't removable, so it's a chore to clear away any hair that does get stuck. Also, unlike the Stratos cordless, it doesn't have a multi-flex folding wand, so cleaning under most tables and chairs do add to the chore. But regardless, it does come at a lower cost and it does work quite well for a corded vacuum. In fact, we think it's the best corded vacuum, something to consider. YZ Vacuum, best budget stick vacuum. The YZ Cordless Vacuum is the best stick vacuum cleaner that we have reviewed in the budget range. It offers a strong debris pickup performance on both bare floors and carpets, easily clearing away solid debris and pet hair. And unusual for a vacuum in this price range, it also features a HEPA exhaust filter that's fairly effective in trapping fine particulates like dust and pet dander as you clean. Its battery performance is also strong for a budget-friendly cordless vacuum. It lasts almost an hour in its most energy-efficient mode, exceeding the pricier Samsung Jet 60 when running in a similar setting. Unfortunately, the YZ Vacuum's build quality does fall short compared to the Samsung model, with the plastic used in its construction feeling somewhat thin and toy-like in places. Thankfully, maintenance is relatively easy and you can disassemble and reassemble the vacuum without too much effort. Overall, if money is tight and you need something in a pinch, this is definitely a worthwhile vacuum to buy. Samsung Jet 60 Pet, best pet accessory vacuum. The The Samsung Jet 60 Pet is the best stick vacuum that we've reviewed if you're looking for a vacuum with pet cleaning accessories. Despite its shorter runtime of around 40 minutes and a less sturdy build than say the Shark Stratos Cordless, this model still offers a pretty impressive range of features at a lower price point. It boasts a 5-stage filtration system that traps allergens as you clean, and also comes with a miniature turbo brush that is very effective in dealing with pet hair on fabric. Performance is okay on bare floors, though it's worth noting that the bundled Jet Fit floor head can push some larger pieces of debris around instead of sucking them up, and at times it does struggle lifting away stubborn debris on carpeted surfaces. Another downside is that emptying the dustbin can release a cloud of dust and debris. Now, this model can't automatically adjust its suction power, and if you must have this feature, I would check out one of the other vacuums on this list. But if your real concern is just getting out pet hair out of furniture and just dealing with your pets as a whole, this is definitely one of the best vacuums for that purpose. Shark Stratos Cordless, best high-tier vacuum. Folks, if you're shopping at an upper price range, the Shark Stratos Cordless is a good choice. Compared to the Dyson V15 Detect, the vacuum is noticeably heavier and has a larger twin roller floor head, so maneuvering in tight areas can be more of a hassle, but not by much. Regardless, it's cheaper and still delivers strong overall performance on most surfaces. Its CleanSense IQ system uses an infrared sensor to measure the amount of debris you suck up and automatically adjust the suction power to match the required load. Its dustbin is actually bigger than the Dyson's, so you won't have to empty it as often. Another nice feature is its hinged wand, which makes cleaning under tables and chairs much easier, so you won't have to crouch too much. There's a replaceable cartridge in its floor head, and it emits a detergent-like scent to mask unpleasant odors as you clean. Though we have to say it can become overwhelming if you vacuum often. Don't worry, it's removable if you don't want that. And while the battery's max life is about an hour, recharging these batteries will take up to 4 hours, which we have to say is much longer than the Dyson. But this does lead to a lot of downtime between cleaning sessions, and if you don't have a second fully charged battery on your hands, you might find it to be a problem. But replacement batteries are purchasable. In the end, it is an excellent high-tier vacuum, beating out most of its competition for its price point. But if you can afford a few more bucks, pay attention to our next contender. Dyson V15 Detect, best overall stick vacuum. The Dyson V15 Detect is the best stick vacuum that we've reviewed. It's far from the newest model in Dyson's lineup, having been supplanted by the Dyson Gen 5 Detect in the company's lineup. But ultimately, it still represents a better buy, with nearly identical performance to its younger and significantly pricier stablemate. It delivers superb performance on bare floor, as well as low to high pile carpets. It can automatically adjust its suction power to adapt to the surface that you're cleaning, and it also has a dirt sensor that measures and counts the size of the debris sucked into the vacuum. Now, the downside of its strong suction is that it can make it harder to push around on some rugs. Its battery life depends on the setting. It can run for over 70 minutes on its most energy efficient mode, but that drops considerably when using it in boost mode suction, so you'll need to work fast when cleaning stubborn messes. Unfortunately, the vacuum can feel fragile in some places, which we found to be disappointing at a premium price point. But if you're looking for a stick vacuum that feels considerably more robust, the Samsung Bespoke Jet is a wonderful alternative, although it's a little bit more bulkier and bigger than this unit, but it does still have good overall performance. Now, one of the biggest things that we'll have to say about the Dyson is that its maneuverability feels absolutely excellent, and its hardwood floor or hard surface cleaning definitely does feel advanced compared to everyone else on this list or on the market. Now, Dysons are generically very expensive simply because they are very good, but this particular model has now been marked down and is going for an excellent price for what you are getting, which is why it has made the best overall stick vacuum for the year so far. And if you're generally used to buying high quality items, we have had plenty of Dyson vacuums that just tend to go. They are very reliable units, and the battery quality seems to be some of the best in the business. In the end, it's all thumbs up from our end. Folks, we hope you've enjoyed this well-reviewed list of stick vacuums, with one being right for you. Still, if you're unsure as to which model that you should choose from, just comment down below and I will personally assist you. And guys, also remember that Amazon has an excellent return policy to help you minimize the risk. And please let us know which stick vacuum you would choose. Links to all these items will be posted in the video description box below. And guys, when you're done, check out the next video.